Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your HDFC Ergo HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your HDFC Ergo HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in HDFC Ergo HR's login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Tap on HR option. Enter your username and password associated with your HDFC HR's account. Enter a verification code shown on the page and tap on Generate OTP. Follow the prompts till the end and that's how you'll be able to log into your HDFC HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.